Hi, my name is Guy, and today I'll be showing you how you can create a catching game in Scratch. So I'll be using an apple and a bull for our sprites. So let's begin. And before the video starts and I start showing you how to make this game, please consider subscribing and liking this video if you did enjoy it. So yeah, let's start. So let's start by deleting the cat sprite and add a bowl. And this is going to be a catching system, catcher. So the bowl is gonna the bowl is gonna catch like the item. So the item is gonna be an apple. And also let's choose this one, the backdrop, and let's add an apple on it. Let's add an apple like that, and let's make this apple a bit smaller, like 90. 80. Okay, that's good. Oh no. Okay, so now we have our apple and our bowl. Let's start coding for the bowl. So the bowl should go left and right, and only left and right. So let's add a when green flag is clicked forever. If, let's make another if statement. Okay, and if a key is pressed. Okay, so now let's stop our game. We'll change it. So one is going to be A, one is going to be D. You can also use the left and right arrows. I like to use the A and D key movements. So if that is pressed, change X by -10 for the key A pressed then, and change X by 10 for this. So if you see, as you can see, this works, and you can change up the speed. And this, if you change it into 20, it's gonna go pretty fast, but I like it to have it at 10. Okay, now we have made, okay, and then when green flag is clicked, let's add another when green flag is clicked. Go to these positions. That is the middle position. We can change it up here. Okay, that's better. Okay, now let's make the apple system. So I want it so when green flag is clicked, okay, go to random position and set the Y to 180. So it goes into random position every time when the green flag is clicked. Okay, let's also add a when green flag is clicked, we need it to drop down. So forever, and change Y by -5. And then, oh no, not X, change Y by -5. And let's put it here, and boom. Now as you can see, it just goes right here. It's going all the way down. That's because it always, if I want it, so if touching the ground, it's gonna go back here. For that, let's choose an if, and choose the Y position. Go into the operators and choose this one. and equals 70. Then, so we're going to be putting in this. Then, it's going to go to random position and set y to 180. Okay, so, oh no, why is that not working? Oh, sorry, minus 170. So when that happens, if it's touching this, it's gonna go to a random position and it's gonna fall down. Okay, that was simple to implement. Now we need to make the catching system. For that, let's add a when green flag is clicked forever. If touching the bubble, then go to random position. Okay, now we have made the catching system. Let's make an high score system. Okay, for that we need a variable. Let's create a variable for all sprites and name this score. This is going to keep track of our score. And right here, I'm going to be changing this into a large readout and just making it a big kid. Okay. Then we're going to choose the change and change it into the score. Let's delete my variable and change score by 1. What that's going to do is going to change the score by 1. Okay. Now let's add that. And then we're going to choose a set score to 0 when the game starts. So now we have made a simple catching game. If you did enjoy, please consider subscribing, like, and share. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.